Do it.
Now he's upset now.
Look
what you do.
Just do
Look
it
what
again.
you
Just
did.
do it again.
Oh, Winnie.
Hey, Winnie. Winnie, where are you going? Stop it. No. Where are you going? I'm following you. You do not look pleased. What have you done? What are you doing? This guy looks so gay. What's with those pants?
You can't even see the pants.
I can see the pants. No, dude. They're like baggy around his dick. It's weird.
Maybe he's hung like a horse?
Maybe he's not. That's why they're so baggy. There's supposed to be something there. It's not really cutting it. Hi, Winnie. Come here. Come here, sweetie. This isn't a camera. No. This is a treat. Come here.
Come here, Winnie. Winnie, come here.
Could you do it again, dude? Horse and his dog.